For more of Nigeria's finest tourist attractions, kindly click the subscribe button. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Experiencing Naija.
Hello everyone, this is Omotoso Akim Alaikum. I'm live at Wicked Warm Spring, Yankari Game Reserve, Bauchi State, Nigerian. This water is very warm, very natural, very clean. Wow, the environment is amazing.
Hello guys, my name is Shadrach and I'll be talking to you about the contribution of tourism towards national development. As you can see, this is located in Sule and Niger State. One of the points of that is tourism generates revenue to the government and also to the people of their community. Number two is that it gives employment to the people of the community, and it also serves as a room. It gives room for the exchange. As you can see, this place by a company called Vega. So they broke it, and then people of the community were being engaged in the packing of the stones, and they got employment through the breaking of the stones, and so taking them from one place to the other, and considered
Hello, my name is Messi, presenting to you a unique tourist destination here in Africa. Tourism as a tool for national development is a driving force for job creation, which contributes greatly on employment, income generation, and foreign exchange earnings. This is Jabi Lake in the heart of Abuja, contributing its own quota towards national development. Jabi Lake have an aesthetic significance, particularly for attracting tourists and investors, as a tourist destination surrounded by clusters of tourism activities and businesses, offering tourists from both local and foreign various services. Tourists enjoy scenic journey around the lake, as well as other recreation and sport activities such as boating and fishing. These services create employment, which in turn generates income and foreign exchange earnings. The use of the lake shores for commercial activities is on increase. The shoreline of this lake attracts both people and diverse community of plants and animals, and this biodiversity makes it important as natural resources for ecotourism, natural tourism, leisure tourism, and conference tourism, attracting millions of tourists yearly, thereby generating so much revenue to aid development in Nigeria.